Why Rocky Mountain House is a great place to live. Are you considering a move to Alberta? If so, Rocky Mountain House might just be the perfect destination for you. Nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, this charming community is more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle choice that combines the tranquility of nature with the conveniences of modern living. With its breathtaking landscapes, friendly residents, and a wealth of recreational opportunities, Rocky Mountain House has something for everyone. Imagine waking up to stunning views of the mountains, where outdoor adventures await right outside your door. Whether you enjoy hiking, skiing, or simply taking leisurely walks in nature, this town provides an abundance of options to satisfy your adventurous spirit. Beyond its natural beauty, Rocky Mountain House boasts a vibrant community feel, where neighbors become friends and local events bring everyone together. Moreover, the town is equipped with essential amenities, including shopping centers, restaurants, and schools, making everyday life convenient and enjoyable. Families will appreciate the excellent educational opportunities available, while retirees can find a peaceful environment to relax and enjoy their golden years. In this blog post, we will delve deeper into the many reasons why Rocky Mountain House stands out as a great place to live. We will highlight its diverse neighborhoods, discuss the available amenities, explore recreational activities for all ages, and examine the real estate options that make this town an attractive choice for prospective residents. Whether you are looking for a family-friendly community, a vibrant social scene, or a serene retreat, Rocky Mountain House has it all. Let's take a closer look at what makes this town truly special. A welcoming community. Rocky Mountain House is renowned for its friendly residents and strong sense of community. With a population of around 7,000 people, the town fosters a close-knit environment where neighbors know each other and actively support one another. This sense of belonging is palpable, making newcomers feel welcomed and integrated into the community. Community events. One of the hallmarks of life in Rocky Mountain House is the abundance of community events. Throughout the year, residents can enjoy farmers' markets, seasonal festivals, and holiday celebrations that bring people together. These gatherings not only provide entertainment but also serve as opportunities for residents to connect, share experiences, and build lasting friendships. Events like Canada Day celebrations and winter festivals highlight the town's vibrant spirit and commitment to community engagement. Education and schools. Education is a cornerstone of Rocky Mountain House, making it an appealing choice for families. The town hosts several schools that cater to a range of educational needs, from early childhood education to high school. Families can find quality schooling options that prioritize academic excellence and personal development. Quality of education. The schools in Rocky Mountain House are known for their dedicated staff who work tirelessly to provide a comprehensive education. Many schools offer specialized programs, including French immersion, which caters to students with different learning preferences. This commitment to diversity in education ensures that every child can thrive academically and socially. Parents can feel confident that their children will receive a solid educational foundation, complemented by extracurricular activities that promote personal growth and community involvement. Sports, arts, and clubs are readily available, allowing students to explore their interests and develop new skills. Thriving local economy. Rocky Mountain House boasts a diverse economy, offering opportunities in various sectors such as agriculture, forestry, and energy. This economic diversity contributes to a vibrant local landscape, where small businesses thrive alongside larger enterprises. Local businesses and services. Residents benefit from a range of local businesses that provide essential services, dining options, and recreational facilities. From grocery stores to restaurants and health services, everything one might need is easily accessible. This convenience enhances the quality of life and encourages community support for local entrepreneurs. Employment opportunities. The town's strategic location also allows residents to easily access larger urban centers, broadening employment opportunities. Many individuals commute to nearby cities for work, while others find fulfilling careers within Rocky Mountain House itself. The presence of various industries ensures that there are job options for a wide range of skill sets, making it easier for residents to establish their careers. Access to nature and outdoor activities. For outdoor enthusiasts, Rocky Mountain House is a paradise. The town is surrounded by breathtaking natural landscapes, including mountains, forests, and rivers, providing residents with countless opportunities for outdoor activities. Hiking and exploring. The nearby Rocky Mountain foothills feature a network of trails that cater to all skill levels. Hiking in this region is not only enjoyable but also rewarding, as the scenic beauty offers stunning views and a chance to connect with nature. Trails range from easy walks suitable for families to more challenging hikes for seasoned adventurers. Fishing, camping, and more. In addition to hiking, residents can enjoy fishing in local rivers and lakes, with abundant opportunities for both casual and serious anglers. Camping spots are plentiful, allowing families to enjoy weekend getaways immersed in nature. The area's rivers also provide options for kayaking and canoeing, making it easy to explore the stunning waterways. Parks and recreation. Rocky Mountain House features numerous parks and recreational facilities that cater to a variety of interests. The town maintains well-kept parks equipped with playgrounds, sports fields, and picnic areas, encouraging families to spend quality time outdoors. Family-friendly spaces. These recreational spaces are designed to promote an active lifestyle and provide safe environments for children to play. Families can enjoy picnics, sports activities, or simply relax in the natural surroundings. Community sports leagues offer children and adults alike the chance to engage in team sports, fostering a spirit of camaraderie and healthy competition. Winter sports. During the winter months, Rocky Mountain House transforms into a winter wonderland. The town offers opportunities for snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, and snowmobiling, making it a hub for winter sports enthusiasts. The nearby mountains provide excellent skiing options, catering to both beginners and experienced skiers. Skiing and snowboarding. Residents can enjoy easy access to ski resorts that offer a range of runs suited for various skill levels. This accessibility allows families to partake in winter sports without extensive travel, making it a convenient option for weekend outings or after-school activities. Real estate options. If you are considering a move to Rocky Mountain House, you will find a variety of real estate options to suit your needs. The housing market offers everything from affordable single-family homes to larger properties with expansive yards. Affordable housing. For first-time homebuyers, the town provides a range of affordable options, allowing individuals and families to enter the housing market without breaking the bank. Those looking to upgrade will also find properties that cater to different budgets and preferences, ensuring a wide selection. Investment opportunities. Rocky Mountain House presents attractive opportunities for real estate investors as well. The town's growth and development plans indicate a positive trajectory for property values, making it an appealing option for those looking to invest in rental properties or long-term assets. Family-friendly neighborhoods. Many neighborhoods in Rocky Mountain House are designed with families in mind. These areas feature quiet streets, parks, and proximity to schools, making them ideal for raising children. The sense of community within these neighborhoods is strong, fostering connections among residents. Safe and inviting environment. Families can feel secure in these neighborhoods, knowing they are part of a community that values safety and support. Parents often find themselves engaging with other families, creating a network of friends and resources that enriches their lives. Cultural and recreational activities. Rocky Mountain House is not just about outdoor activities, it also offers a range of cultural and recreational events throughout the year. The town hosts various festivals, art exhibits, and community gatherings that celebrate local culture and heritage. Engaging community programs. Residents can participate in recreational programs offered by local organizations, including sports leagues, art classes, and fitness programs. These activities not only promote a healthy lifestyle but also encourage social interaction among community members, strengthening the bonds that make Rocky Mountain House a special place to live. In summary, Rocky Mountain House is a wonderful place to live for a variety of reasons. Its welcoming community, strong educational system, access to nature, and diverse real estate options make it an attractive choice for individuals and families alike. Whether you are seeking a peaceful environment, outdoor adventures, or a vibrant community, Rocky Mountain House has something to offer everyone. If you are intrigued by what Rocky Mountain House has to offer, consider exploring more about this charming town. For those planning a move, be sure to check out local real estate listings to find your perfect home. We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you visited Rocky Mountain House? What do you love most about it? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content about life in Alberta and beyond. Your next adventure might just be a video away.